The armed forces of the Russian Federation have continued launching strikes by high-precision long-range air and sea-based armament at the military control and energy systems of Ukraine. The goals of the attacks have been reached. All the assigned targets have been neutralized. In Kupiansk direction, Russian forces have neutralized 2 company tactical groups of the armed forces of Ukraine, as well as 2 groups of foreign mercenaries near Orlanka in Kharkov region, Nikolaevka and Kuzemovka in Lugansk People's Republic. Over 110 Ukrainian personnel and mercenaries, 1 tank, 3 armored fighting vehicles, 2 pickups and 2 motor vehicles have been eliminated. In Krasny Liman direction, 3 company tactical groups attempted to conduct an offensive towards Makeivka and Chervonopopovka in Lugansk People's Republic. All the attacks have been repelled. Russian forces have eliminated over 170 Ukrainian personnel, 3 tanks, 5 armored fighting vehicles and 9 motor vehicles. In Donetsk direction, units of the Russian army continued their intensive operation. Assault and artillery units of the Russian forces have eliminated over 60 Ukrainian personnel, 1 tank, 2 armored fighting vehicles and 2 motor vehicles. In Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction, company tactical groups of the Ukrainian armed forces made 4 attempts to launch attacks towards Petykatki, Chervony Yar, Ishchenka and Zelony Gai in Kherson region. The enemy has been driven back to the initial positions by fire and decisive action of Russian troops. Over 70 Ukrainian personnel and mercenaries, 5 armored fighting vehicles, 7 motor vehicles and 1 German-manufactured Panzerhaubitze 2000 self-propelled artillery system have been eliminated. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 8 Ukrainian command posts near Omelnik, Preobrazhenka, Zaleznichnoye, Gulay-Pole in Zaporozhye region, Berezhnye-Gavatoye, Kaluga, Chervony Yar, Murachovka in Nikolaev region, as well as 57 artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 136 areas. 4 ammunition depots have been destroyed near Novaya Kamenka, Nova Alexandrovka in Kherson region, Terny and Kolodzy in Donetsk People's Republic. Air defense facilities have shut down 13 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Popasnaya, Nova Nikanorovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Mechnikovo in Kharkov region, Volnovaha, Krylovka, Nikolskoye in Donetsk People's Republic, and Kazatskoye in Kherson region. Moreover, 4 projectiles launched by HIMARS and Olha MLRS, as well as 7 HARM anti-radiation missiles have been intercepted near Novaya Kakhovka and Antonovka in Kherson region. In total, 328 airplanes and 167 helicopters, 2,393 unmanned aerial vehicles, 384 air defense missile systems, 6,213 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 879 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,540 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,920 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.